Hey there everyone! Are you tired of struggling with clunky tools when trying to get exact measurements for your home projects or professional jobs? Today we are looking at the best digital laser tape measure. I am thrilled to share this amazing gadget with you right here on Cool Product. Let's get started. The Live LTM01 digital laser tape measure is a true game changer for how you work on any construction or renovation task. It is a brilliant two-in-one tool that seamlessly combines a highly powerful 197 feet laser measure with a traditional 16 feet auto-locking tape. Having both options right at your fingertips means you can easily handle massive room layouts or do quick corner checks without carrying multiple heavy tools around in your pockets. Furthermore, the Live LTM01 is expertly engineered for single-handed operation, which instantly doubles your daily efficiency. You can easily hold your raw material with one hand and take a precise measurement with the other, allowing you to finish up your projects much faster. Accuracy is absolutely everything when you are building, and this incredible device delivers unmatched precision. It gives you an extreme accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 of an inch. With this level of exactness, you will never have to guess whether your cuts are right. Even better, it features highly intelligent automatic area and volume calculations. If you need to figure out exactly how much flooring to buy or how much paint you need for a large room, the tool does all the complicated math instantly. For tricky spots like high roofs, the built-in Pythagorean mode allows you to measure complex heights safely from the ground. Durability is another key area where the Live LTM01 digital laser tape measure truly shines. The tape features a heavy-duty, rust-proof, nylon-coated blade that glides smoothly and beautifully resists daily wear. The entire digital measuring unit is securely housed inside a shock-resistant ABS casing. This tough outer shell expertly protects the inner digital components from dust, hard knocks, and deep scratches, ensuring it survives tough conditions. You will also love the extended battery life, which easily supports up to 5,000 measurements on a single full charge. When it finally runs out of power, simply use the universal USB-C charging port to juice it right back up. Looking closely at the layout and design, the Live LTM01 is remarkably compact and extremely comfortable to hold. It includes a sturdy built-in belt clip so you can attach it to your work pants for instant access all day. This is definitely a must-have upgrade for any modern toolbox, streamlining your workflow from start to finish without any hassle. If you want to grab this incredible tool for yourself, do not wait around. Check the price link in the description to find the best deal right now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome gadget finds. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you soon.